Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, All Modern Mommy. Now today I have something so special for everyone. If you stick with me to the end of the video, I want to offer you a free month of perfume. Now every female wants to smell so good. And actually, this is not just for females. This is for males too. So if you want to get your significant other, your son, grandfather, whoever you want to gift them with some cologne, you can do that as well. But you have to stick with me to the end of this video to go ahead and grab that code. So I want to do a review of Scentbird. So how I heard about Scentbird was from a Facebook ad, okay? And basically what it is you get designer perfume sample sizes. And see, they're sample sizes like this. And you get them for $15.95, excuse me, per month. If you want to keep the trial going. So basically you pop the cap and the perfume comes out. Now usually you only get one perfume a month. But I just wanted to go crazy and just get everything. Because the selection is like thousands of perfumes. So basically once you go onto the site, they will give you like a quiz. And it's crazy because I would be like, oh my God, how do I buy perfume online? I need to be inside of a store to actually smell it. I'm not going to buy no perfume online. But y'all, let me tell you. Scentbird is nothing but the truth. I swear I have like 6 fragrances on me right now. So yeah. So the first one, and I have some Prada candy in here, guys. This is Prada candy. Do y'all see that? Prada candy. And this is not no knockoff. This is not no knockoff or anything like that. The only catch to it is that, you know, it's a small sample size. So see, it's a sample size. Just like that. So that's the only con to it. But I mean, it's a good quality. It smells so good. So for me, I wanted something that was summery, that was fresh. Y'all see, I got my little lemon candle in the back, my fresh lemon. So I love candles. So I just wanted something that was nice and sweet. But also classic smelling. So they matched me with a couple of them, and I just said, you know, let me grab all of them right now. So yeah, they matched me with Prada candy. And so with each order, this is how it comes. So it comes in this black label bag. Scentbird, New York. Shout out to New York, my hometown. Okay. And then they give you each fragrance that is inside of the order. So all of these is what I was matched with, what I picked out. So here's my Prada candy one, and it comes with the Scentbird label. Okay. It does not have the perfume on the outside of the box. You have to actually pop the top. Yeah. You have to pop the top. Open it up like that. for you actually to get the fragrance. Pink sugar. Pink sugar is good. So if you guys want any recommendations, here it goes. Pink sugar is good. I do not think it's the best now that I got it. Do I think that you should get it? Yes. But pink sugar, I would think would be for like someone in their tweens or teens, early teens. It is very kid-like. And I mean, I guess with the title, you would think it would be. From the back of it, it says it has like lily cotton candy. So yeah, it really smells like cotton candy, really. So that's that. So that's not my favorite. Prada candy surprisingly is good, but guess what, guys? It is not my favorite. I really wanted to try it out. But it's not my favorite. No, it's not. Lalique. Okay. That smells good. That's probably like my number one. The Alibi was hitting. No, okay. So we're going to do Lalique would be number 2. The Alibi would be number 1. So if you guys are looking for something that's classic, smells grown, but also has like a nice sweet fragrance, Alibi is where you need to go. Okay. Now, all of this right here, this is where I went crazy. That's when I bought everything. But initially, when you sign up, this is what you will get when you first sign up. So with the link that I'm going to give you guys, we're going to push that to the side. With the link that I'm going to give you guys, this is what you guys will get with your first order. If you guys don't opt to get everything like how I did, you guys are going to get this. You're going to get still the black label bag. Okay. Go on to the side. Different kind of bottle. You're not going to get the regular bottles that are like a paper carton. A good quality paper carton, but a paper carton, and that comes with a bottle that comes out. You are going to get a nice, shiny kind of bottle, okay? And look, you see it rotates up and down, and you can just spray. Take it with you, okay? So make sure you guys go ahead, get that. I mean, like, you guys want to smell good. I mean, who doesn't want designer fragrances, or even some fragrances that are not designer, but they're up and coming great designers. And I mean, it smells good. Scentbird is good. Thank you, Facebook, for recommending them. Thank you, Scentbird, for having your ads on Facebook while I was doing my advertising and checking out some of my clients' pages as well on Facebook. Okay, guys, so this is what comes in the second, well, when you sign up. You guys are going to get the Scentbird package still, okay? And inside the Scentbird package, you guys are going to get this nice velvet kind of bag. And inside the velvet bag, you're going to get your perfume. Now, this perfume, you're going to have to still pay the $15.95. And it's not going to be a designer fragrance, okay? But then, guess what? You get a free bottle, another sample perfume. And when I tell you guys, honestly, that they kind of smell better than the designer fragrances, these two ones are a must get. If you guys want any recommendations, like for real, get a room and Rebecca Minkoff. These are it. I'm going to leave them in the descriptions below. Make sure you guys go and get them. And I'm also going to leave the link for you guys to go ahead and grab your free bottle. But thank you guys again for all that you do and checking out my channel. And so, yeah, thank you. Bye-bye.